I'm so tired of losing my lip liners. Like, it's not even funny. Look how you looking at me. Like, girl, you got 5 seconds before I cause hell to take me out this car seat. Preston, baby, just give mommy a second. And I got you. Let me get right with you. I think the gate's on the left side. You enjoy watching me? Wow. Love you for that, son. Love you for that. I knew that wasn't gonna last long. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we're doing the final touches. Which is... Okay, time to get dressed. This is not how I looked the other day. Woo! What do I do differently? Like, they're going all different directions. The back. That's super cute. Yeah, this is cute. All right, y'all get the full effect when I take this roller set out my head. Okay. So this fits. Very schoolgirl, you know. And I'm wearing cream. Goodness! Look it. I'm so happy. I love it. Ooh, look at the back. Okay. I love it. I love it. I love it.
You don't need no more toys.
Sorry, no more what?
Toys.
I'm so happy. Where are we going tonight? Okay, so this is my first baby. Come with me. This is my other baby. You know. She a little dirty, but it's all good. It's my speed.
Hey, both of them want that.
Where's she at? Inside?
She just bought it.
Wait.
Your car still got more room though.
Huh?
And just car got more room in the back?
It feel like it, yeah. And this got hydraulics. You know that?
Nah.
Yeah. Yeah! Oh no, this so hard.
You can drive or fall? Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Alright, hold on. You want to see me? Hold on. Yeah! Come outside. Ah! Yeah! What is you talking about?
Stop playing.
Ah!
Oh, that is funny. Oh my God.
Preston. What's up, baby? Mwah. You were asleep at the game. I was trying to come talk to you. Yeah. What's up? What's up? Your hair's cold. next time.